Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is how you can make money on Sweatcoin app. Okay, so first of all, make sure you turn on your VPN to USA. As you can see, my VPN is connected to USA. So the next thing to do is to click on the link. I'm going to drop the link in the description box of this video. Okay, I'm going to drop link to the app in the description box below. So once you tap on the link, it's going to take you to the app. Download the app. So once you download the app, open it, okay, and you sign up with Google. So select sign up with Google. Okay, make sure you create a new account for this. So as new account users are going to be, getting the most reward on this app. So you select any Gmail you want to use to create the account. I'm going to be selecting this one. So you continue, tap on continue. Okay, select yes please. So just make sure you allow every single thing that pops up. Make sure you allow it. Okay, I'm actually going to be allowing this thing from my settings. So you turn on this, you go back to the app. Okay, you can just skip this if it's misbehaving. Just skip that. So skip. Okay, so then you can just cancel this. So the account has been created successfully, and you have been given welcome bonus. Okay, that's not what we are exactly here for. So to make money on this app, okay, come to your rewards interface. Okay, at this reward interface, as you can see, there is this buy option. If you create your account and you are not seeing this buy option, make sure you create another account. Okay, so only if you are seeing this buy option, because if you want to cash out the coins that you are going to be earning from this app, you are going to be making use of this buy option. Okay, so now basically, to make money on this app, you are just going to be working. As you are working, every single step you are taking, you are going to be earning points. Okay, so once you get to 1,500 points, once your balance here get to 1,500 points, you can actually redeem the 1,500 points for gift card. Okay, so you can redeem the 1,500 points to $5 gift card, or you withdraw as PayPal fund. So if you choose to withdraw as PayPal fund, so you can sell to me. I'm actually buying PayPal funds. So, and as well, if you choose to redeem as gift card, I'm also buying as well. So, or maybe you can just wait for your balance to get to 3K, then you convert to $10 gift card, or you withdraw as $10 PayPal fund. So basically, to earn on this app, you just be working. Okay, every single step you are taking, you are going to be earning points. So now another way to earn easily or to earn fast is by inviting friends. Okay, so now, and to copy your invite friends, to copy your invite link, just head over to your social. Okay, then you tap on friends. Okay, as you can see, this is your unique referral code. So this is your unique referral link. So just copy this link, send it to your friend that you want to download the app. Okay, so and once your friend download the app and sign up on this app, you're actually going to be getting I think 300 coin per referral. Okay, so meaning if you actually refer like 5 persons, you are going to even reach you are going to break the minimum withdrawal threshold. So I think that's okay. Now let me show you how to redeem your reward. So if you want to withdraw, or let me say you want to withdraw to PayPal, or you want to redeem as gift card, all you have to do is to come to this reward interface. Okay, here that you see that the roads buy, tap on buy. Okay, then you select any gift card you want to redeem. Okay, as you can see, it's telling me that this is my second account, so it's telling me not enough balance. Okay, so once you have enough balance, you can actually redeem as gift card, or you withdraw as PayPal fund, and their payment is Monday to Friday. Okay, they are not paying in the weekends, so make sure you take advantage of this update. So if you find this update helpful, you can actually drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, peace out.